Oh.
Oh, that was just so fucking random. Just like in the background, then he's just like, oh, no, no,
Hold on. Oh, living in the sunlight, living in the
no. Yes.
moonlight. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I'm wheezing. Ooh, oh.
My throat is so fucking dry.
That six-pack's coming in.
That six-pack's coming in, and the fucking bladder not exploding is coming in too.
You just
I'm
went to the
actually
bathroom.
surprised.
You
No, I
just
didn't
went
go
to the bathroom.
I didn't go yet. Just
You
sat
went
here.
earlier.
I know.
Oh my god, you killing me.
I go to the bathroom a lot for some odd reason.
Giggle, giggle, giggle. Wow. Giggle.
I type living in on the first thing that comes up is living in the sun. That guy's face that sings this. Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
What does he look like?
He looks so fucking weird.
What do you mean?
Type in Tiny Tim. Or Tim. On my first album.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's what he looks like?
Never bother me. I have the lyrics in front of me.
My dear friends.
Oh my god.
Here I am on record at
Full
last,
time.
and it feels so wonderful to be here with you on
Living
my
in the sun,
first
in
album.
the wood, and having a wonderful time.
Every day,
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Like near my parents' house. Barely.
Ba-dum, ba-dum.
Oh,
Oh, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
I don't need a lot for it's only a
On
dime.
time. Living in the
You're
sunlight,
perfect
loving
on
in the
where the
moonlight,
song
having a
is.
wonderful time. Dun, 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 dun. Just as my daughter. Oh my god, I can't do this. I love it. I'm princess Diana, holding my friend behind my pride. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Oh.
Oh my god.
What, you gotta pee? Yes.
I do, but I don't. It's like a mixture of both.
How is it a mixture?
Don't even ask.
Do you even know how to answer?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
My
you better-
YouTube starts with A. I know how to do things that start with A. Answer.
Assume?
Assume.
I don't even think that's how you spell it. I don't know what it is. How do you even spell assume? Nope, you spell with an A, you know how to assume. Ow.
Ooh. I almost peed. Wow. What was that English time?
Ooh. Allure. Amaze.
Allowed.
Annoy.
Annoy. Alert the entire enemy team, I'm coming this way.
Analyze everything incorrectly.
True.
Oh. No giggle? I think I heard a giggle. Shh. Shh. What do you mean shh?
Because I was being quiet.
So you tell me shh. What the fuck?
I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I fucking laughed.
We both cracked at the same time.
Ooh.
Do it.
See, sometimes it's a good thing to hang around Naomi, then it's a bad time because holy shit, do my ribs and jaws hurt so bad.
I'm sorry. It's only when you hang out with me, when I hang out with you, okay? I don't laugh as much with people. It's only when we're together. It's like we take a whole bunch of freaking helium / fucking laughing gas / fucking crack and heroin, not steroin. I don't know what the fuck steroin is. I don't know what that is. Oh my god. What is that? I'm gonna pee myself. Oh.
Ooh. I'm literally crying. I'm wiping tears out from underneath my eyes.
You dying is too funny. Oh, that sounds like I'm a murderer or something, or whatever the fuck you call it. I can't even say it. I'm laughing too hard. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Bro, it's too hot in my room right now. Woo,
Fucking hot.
ooh,
It's like fucking 20 degrees. Now you're gonna be like 80.
oh, oh, oh. I can't do it. I'm laughing too hard. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, you have school tomorrow. You need to go back.
Yeah, it's like 10:30. I got school tomorrow.
You go to bed.
Oh, I about stepped right into my PC and just like put my fucking feet first into a PC. Wow.
Go pee first. Get ready for bed, and then go to bed. First thing is peeing. Don't forget the pee part.
Okay, so sit here, pee first, and then go to bed. Because I can't breathe.
Go to the bathroom. Go take a pee pee. Then get ready for bed, and then go to bed. Stop dying. What's that?
Trying to breathe in all that air.
What do you breathe and hold in air? That's not getting oxygen. That's losing oxygen.
I'm trying to keep the oxygen.
You can't be a fucking oxygen whore. You have to release it. You gotta release. Release, not the pee. I mean the air. The air.
Oh no, I'm not releasing the my lungs.
Ow, ow. Don't go to the bathroom right now. Go right now. Stop laughing. Go to the bathroom right now. Seriously, go. Now. Don't give me. Go to the bathroom. Oh my god. Trying to take a shit?
I'm stretching.
No, I just heard. I was like, damn, I'm concentrating hard.
I just carried my PC to the bathroom set. Ugh, my fucking throat is so dry.
Thirsty hoe.
I
Oh!
looked over, I was like, is there any Hawaiian punch to drink? Nope, it's all fucking gone.
Good. You need to rehydrate water. What are you doing?
Oh yeah, rehydrate with water.
I drink the shit out of water. Yeah, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go pee, then go to bed.
Go to bed, 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 go to bed.
Go to bed. Go to bed. See, when I'm trying, it's like hard, but when I'm not, it's not. Go to bed. 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 You need to go to bed. I actually need to go to use the restroom first because you need to go to use the restroom because you're gonna pee yourself and you're maybe even gonna shit your pants. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is that you need to go to bed and then you gotta go to the bathroom. Actually, go to the bathroom first and then go take a shit. Maybe go to even pee. I don't even know what you're gonna do. Make sure you're gonna get ready and then you're gonna go first, okay? And then you can go to bed and I don't care what else do you have to do. That actually, I want you to go to sleep. So make sure you go to sleep first and then tomorrow don't forget. Oh, and then we're all good.
I'm literally gonna go to school tomorrow, and I'm gonna be like,
Yep.
oh, I'm gonna press play on music. Knowing my luck, it'll switch to that song and just be like,
Oh!
I'll be like fucking dying in the middle of class. I'll be dying. I'll be laying down dead, and I won't even know why.
Then they'll be like, this is another side of you I've never seen before. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, go to bed. Go to bed. Go now.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I know.
The ability to hold in piss is with the ability to hold in piss is strong with that for this one.
Go to the bathroom. Go now. I'm serious. Go now. Now.
For sure. Now.
Yes, I'm sure. Go now. Now.
Now.
Now.
Now.
Now.
Now.
Not Mao. Now.
Mao.
N-O-W.
M-O-W.
N as in Nuka Puka.
Ooh. Whoa. Wow.
Ow. Ow. Oh. Oh.
I'm laughing with my lungs, not my stomach.
I thought you were going to say your ass.
Why would I be laughing with my ass?
I don't know. What? You can't breathe up here. You're like a goldfish gasping for air. I mean, water or air.
I tried making the breathing noise that really fucking low. I tried going.
Giggle, giggle.
Ooh. See, this is why we can't hang around Nightwing. I just die.
No. It's over stupid shit too. It's not like, and then he said you're gay. Ah, gah, gah, gah. No, it's over stupid shit. like, oh, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a grand old time.
Oh!
Whoa! What the fuck is that?
Man.
Oh man! What?
What the fuck? As soon as you said that, I looked on my Xbox One. There's that Arc Dinosaur, the fucking Velociraptor. I'm crying. Help me.
Wheezing, help me! I'm imagining it just like pops up.
Oh,
What the fuck?
went downwards. Instead of going, oh, throwing it up high, just, oh,
Oh, you sound like you're like questioning, like, oh,
oh. Force is strong with this one.
the dipshitosity is strong with this one.